In this training video, I'm going to show you how you can learn everything you need to learn when it comes to running a credit repair business. And we're going to give this training to you for absolutely free, step by step, video by video. Now, when you log into the software, the first thing you want to do is go over to training right here and help. Let's click that. And then what you want to do is click on training videos. Let's click that there. And then on your left-hand side, you will see where it says business learning. So I want to click that there. Now in this section right here, we have 74 high definition videos teaching you every single thing you need to know from A to Z on how to run a credit repair business. Now this is very powerful because this information alone is worth $3,000 to $4,000 outside of the software, and you get it absolutely free when you become a paid member of the Client Dispute Manager software. As you can see, I'm still going. Now, anybody who's starting a credit repair business, they must understand that they need to understand how to run a credit repair business. And there's a lot of information out there on the internet on how to run a credit repair business, but it's not as organized as this modules right here, as you can see. And this is right in your software. So what that means is that you don't have to go outside of the software looking for any other information when it comes to running a credit repair business, because we give it all to you for absolutely free right here in the software. I hope I will see you on the inside.